Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Welcome back to new video. In this video we will learn how to wiring off Deepsea 8610 synchronization controller and how to connect the Deepsea sync controller with other genset controller and how to physically synchronization of generator and how do you program it. This video we will learn all these things. Stay with us and watch the full video. Inshallah, after watching this video you can easily synchronize any generator with Deepsea controller. So friends, my name is Waqas Taslim and you are watching my channel Brilliant Learning Skills. Please like and follow this channel so you can easily watch other videos next. So friends, here in this channel you can easily learn power generation side, generators, switchgear, electrical powers and controls, control module, Deepsea sizes and all other. Inshallah we will hear all the detailed video. You can learn all points in this channel, so you can follow my channel and like this channel and share this channel. Next all technical videos you can watch easily. So guys, this is the main display, main screen of Deepsea controller. Here is the main display. In this display you can watch all your parameters, engine parameters, generator parameters, mains and all your alarms, events log and communication parameters. All parameters you can see on this display. Next is left side on menu navigation. Here is the 4 button and in the center one another button. Yes, 4 button up and down and 2 buttons up and down and 2 buttons right and left. Up and down and right and left you can easily change your page and you can easily change your menus. And other right side the indication light for configuration status LED. Here you can configure any indication for your alarm, for your status. You can easily configure from your software. And the down side 2 button, left side and right side. This left side button is open generator on manual mode only, so you can open your breaker from this button on manual mode. And in the right side close generator breaker, you can close your generator breaker from this button and your controller is on manual mode and you can close this your breaker on this button. So guys, in downside here all operation button, you can use this button and smooth your operation. Left side red button stop and reset mode. You can if your generator is start, you can stop your generator from this button, and if you have any alarm on the main screen, so you can press this button, your alarm is reset. And next is manual mode button. If you can press this manual button and you can perform your manual operation. You can start your manual engine, you can start your breaker, you can stop your engine, and you can disconnect your breaker from this controller. If you operate any manual operation, you can press this button manual and your controller is on manual mode, then you can operate your manual operation from this controller. And next button is auto. If you will press this button auto, then you will operate your all operation in auto mode. So if you have auto application, then you will on your auto button and you will perform your auto operation. And next button is alarm, mute and lamp test. If you will test your alarm lamp test, then you will press this button, your all controller lamp is tested. And if you have any alarm on this controller, then you can press this button, your alarm is silenced. And next is green button start. If you will start your engine from this controller, first you can press the manual button and then you can start your engine from the start button. You will press here this green button one time, your engine is start and your voltage and frequency is reached to your set point 400 volt and 60 hertz frequency, 50 hertz frequency. So guys, our all front side is clear, and all buttons all is clear. Then I will move to the back side, and we will discuss all points step by step. Guys, this is backside. Here is all termination points. You can connect here your all wires. We can discuss one by one all points, and you will easily learn from this video. Guys, first of all, here is first jack, here 1 to 14 point, and this is for 1 and 2 is negative and positive supply. Number 1 is negative supply and number 2 is positive supply. And here number 3 is the emergency switch supply. And number 4 and number 5, this is the fuel and crank output. Number 4 is the fuel output and number 5 is the crank output. You will connect here your fuel relay, and you will connect here your crank relay. After the relay, you will use your dry contact and start your motor starter and fuel. After this, guys, here is the number 6 point. This number 6, you have connect here your dynamo D positive wire, dynamo starting alternator, charging alternator. You can connect D positive wire from charging alternator to this 6 number point. And guys, next all digital outputs, number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is digital output. You can use this output any configuration. Here you can use for breaker, here you can use closing of breaker and opening of breaker, and you can use you can configure as per your requirement, as per your site. You can configure this output from the Deepsea software. Now guys, digital output is finished, and the next terminal is 15 to 22. Here you can connect here your analog inputs. 15 number is analog input common, and the 16 number is analog input A. Here default here is oil pressure sensor. You can connect here your oil pressure sensor. And the number 17 is coolant temperature sensor. The input number B, here you can connect here coolant temperature sensor. And the input number C, number 18, this is the fuel level sensor. Default, this is all inputs is configured. You can connect here just wire and you can utilize your system. And next is 19, this is flexible sensor. You will add here any of your requirement. You will connect here flexible sensor wire. So guys, next is 2021 and 2022, and you can use this wire for CAN communication. You will connect here your CAN wires here 20, 21 and 22 point. And so next guys, here next point is 20, next terminal is 23 to 39. This terminal point is different. You can use this terminal point is different. I can explain all these point. First is 23, 24 and 25. You can use this 3 for your MPU. Here magnetic pickup. You can connect here wire for magnetic pickup. And next is ECU 26, 27 and 28. So you can connect here your engine ECU wire, engine control unit. So next point is 29, 30 and 31. Guys, this 3 point is DSE net. You can connect here your communication modules. So next point is the MSC wire 32, 33 and 34. Guys, 32 and 33 is high and low point. If you will synchronize your engine, then you will use this 2 wire MSC link from one controller to second controller. So you will connect here your MSC wires. So next point is governor, and you can connect here your governor's wire 35 and 36 point. 35 and 36 point. If you have any manual engine, actuator engine, you can connect here your governor card, 2 wires. And next is 38 and 39. Guys, this is the AVR wire. You will connect here your AVR wire for voltage biasing. If you synchronize your engine, your voltage and your frequency is up and down from this controller, so you will connect here your AVR wire. Guys, this terminal 23 to 39 is finished. Next we will discuss upside all terminal. And next guys, upside here terminal 40 to 47. Here number 40 and 41, you can use this 2 wire for normally closed relay output. So this is the dry contact. You can connect you can use this dry contact for your breaker, for your any configuration. And the next is dry contact close open, 42 and 43. This is the generator loading relay output D. You can connect here your dry contact points. And next is the voltage point, 44, 45, 46 and 47. This is the generator incoming voltage point. You will connect here your generator sensing. This is the 44, this L1, you will connect here your red wire. And 45, this is the L2, you will connect here your yellow wire. And 46, this is the blue wire, you will connect here your blue sensing wire. And 47, this is the negative, neutral, this is the neutral, you will connect here your neutral wire. And guys, next point is 48, 49, 50 and 51. This terminal you can connect here your bus voltage wire. 48 is the L1 wire, you will connect here red. And 49 is the L2 wire, you will connect here yellow. And 50 is L3 wire, you will connect here your blue wire. And 51 is the neutral point, you will connect here your neutral wire. And next point is CT's point, you will connect your CT's point, 52, 53, 54 and 55, 56, 57 and 58. This is all point is CT's point. Number 52, 53, 54, this is the red, yellow and blue, you will connect here your red, yellow and blue wire for CT's. And here next point is the common, you will common your all S2 point, CT's S2 point, and connect here S2 point. And next point is 57 and 58, you can connect here your auxiliary CT's 2 wire for auxiliaries. And next this all CT's point is clear. And next is next terminal is 59 to 70. Guys, this is the digital inputs. Here you can connect here your wire digital inputs. This all inputs is configurable. You will connect here your breaker status, you will connect here your any status in this digital out digital input. And all point is configurable. You will configure these inputs from your Deepsea software, and we will discuss after this the software. And next you will watch my video for Deepsea software. I will explain all this software step by step. If you don't know from the software settings, you will watch my video. And guys, here all terminal is closed, here all terminal is finished. Now here all Ethernet point, one terminal A1 point is Ethernet point. If you will need SCADA system, if you need any data from this controller for RS485 for and Ethernet, you will connect here your Ethernet wire for SCADA system. And if you need to connect your from laptop to this controller, this Ethernet point is for connectivity, and you will connect here your Ethernet wire. And right side near Ethernet port, here one another port is USB. You can use this wire for software connectivity. And here one another port is USB. And left side here two port, one RS232 and one RS485. Guys, this is 2 port RS232. If you have any RS232 cable, you will connect here RS232. If you need data from RS232, so you will connect here your RS232 wire, and near RS485, this RS485 jack. If you need SCADA system, if you need data remote from this controller, so you will connect here your RS485 wire. Here RS485 is the two terminal, port 1 and port 2. You will use one time another SCADA system, and one another you will catch data from this controller. So here all terminal point is clear. Guys, now we are put our controller in auto mode, and the controller is synchronizing with other gensets. When controller parameters voltage and frequency phase angle match, then the breaker is closed. Now you will see it's matching the all parameters. When all parameters match, the breaker is closed. You can see here on the controller, when breaker is on indication is on, and our generator is on the load. You will check here all the parameters, and you will check here another generator synchronized. Guys, this is our auto application. Here all gensets is automatically synchronized one by one, and all gensets match all parameters, voltage, frequency, phase angle. When all the parameters is match, our all generator is synchronized, and our all generator is manage all the load according to the load management. And guys, if we have any manual application, then we will first press the manual and start the engine. After that, we will close the breaker from our close button. Now guys, we will move to the software site and check all the settings of software. Guys, here is two option: one read configuration from a controller, and one another option is open a configuration file. Guys, on the left side, here three option: file, tools and help. Number one, files. Here is a different option: new and recent, open, and here read from the controller. Here all options available. And guys, here next is the tools. Here is all tools available, like update firmware and languages, backup module, restore module. Here all the tools is available. And guys, next is the help. Here is all the check for updates, abouts, and here all the manuals is available. All series manual, 6 series, 7 series, all Deepsea operation manual, software manual, technical manual, all manual is available here. You can open any manual here and download the manual as per your requirement. Now guys, this is the main page. When you start the Deepsea software app, here the screen is available same like this. We will open the 8610 controller. You will directly read configuration from a controller, and you will open the as per your requirement controller, and when your file is open, then you can read the file from top up button, read from the controller. Guys, when our read processing is completed, then we will able to see like this screen. Guys, this is our configuration all parameters screen. Now we will connect the SCADA system. Here downside we will see all SCADA parameters. Now guys, our SCADA system is connected, and you can see here the SCADA system all parameters like mimic, digital inputs, outputs and all others. Now guys, we will move to the check all the configuration parameters like modules, application. Guys, this is the module. Here is the module option and configurable status and events log, data logging. Here you can change as per your requirement and transmit the file. And guys, this is the next application, and here you can configure your ECM as per your requirement, as per your ECM model. And next is the inputs. Here inputs, analog inputs configuration and digital input configuration, and you can configure here as per your requirement, analog as per your requirement, digital inputs. Here you can configure these inputs. This is the generator digital inputs. You can configure here your all status, digital inputs and all others. Next is the digital outputs. You will configure here your outputs as per your requirement, breaker opening, breaker closing, and as per your requirement you can configure and write the file top up buttons. Here you can see here is the different digital outputs, alarms, controls. You can configure here as per your requirement. And next is the virtual LEDs. You can see here virtual LEDs configure and you can watch. And guys, next is the timer. Here is the all start timer, and here load stopping timer, and here module timer. You can adjust your timing from here settings. And next is the generators all parameters. Here is the first generator option. You can check here is the generator poles, 3 poles, 4 poles, and generator phase rotation, breaker control, delay fail to open, delay fail to stop, delay here alls. And next is the generator rating. You can set here your generator ratings, kilowatt, kVAr, all that. And next is the generator D rate, check and uncheck. And next is the generator voltage setting. You can configure here your generator voltage setting, like under voltage alarm, under voltage setting, loading voltages, and nominal voltage. You can adjust here your nominal voltages, over voltages, all alarm, trip conditions. You can adjust your timing, all voltage setting here. And next is the generator frequency setting. Here you can adjust your all frequency setting, like under frequency alarms, under frequency loading frequency, nominal frequency, and over frequency alarms, over frequency. You can adjust here all type of your alarms, all type of controller frequency. You can adjust this screen. And next is the generator current setting. You will adjust here your CTs, current rating, and primary CTs, secondary CTs, earth primary CTs settings, and related current alarm line light, like negative phase sequence, short circuit, earth fault, and other related cities alarm. Here you can adjust here. And next is here you can set here overload protection, load control, and reverse power settings, low load settings. All these settings you can configure here. And next is the main decoupling, loss of mains, voltage and frequency, sync option, like governor settings, AVR settings, and check sync settings, and MSC links settings. You can check here. You can configure here your MSC settings, and like load control, auto load management, calling off less set, more sets. You can configure here all your sets. And AVR settings, upgrade up and down, power factor control, voltage and reactive power control. You can configure here all these settings. And guys, next is this engine setting. You can configure here your all engine setting, like oil pressure, engine protection, coolant temperature, fuel level, and all other engine setting you can configure here. And next is the communication settings. Communication, you can configure here your RS232 port, and Ethernet port, RS485 settings, and IP address. All communication settings you can configure in this screen. And next is the scheduler. If you can start your engine as per your schedule, you can set here your days, time, and after that you will start your engine as per your schedule. And guys, next is the CAN instrumentations. You can configure here your CAN instrumentation, alternative configuration, expansion module, advanced communication. Here you will advanced option like AVR, like and reset electrical trip, AVR settings. All settings you can configure here. Reset electrical trip settings you can configure. And next is the PLC. You can, if you will add your logics, PLC logics, then you can set here your PLC logic here. Now guys, all of our configuration settings is clear. Now here next is the SCADA, all SCADA parameters. Here SCADA parameters all is the monitoring parameters. here like that. Mimic, we will start here engine like that. Digital inputs, we will see here digital inputs, close and open. We will see here digital outputs, and this is the virtual LEDs, and this is the bus voltages, phase rotation. We will see here all that. And this is the next is generator. This is the configuration setting for synchronization all of monitoring parameters like voltage, current, frequency, power. This is the multi-set. We will set here our configuration of multi-set. And next is the interface. This is the main setting of governor and AVR. We will set here our voltage up and down from this controller. We will adjust here switch 1 and switch 2 for governor, switch 1 and switch 2 for AVR. We will increase our voltage from switch 1 and switch 2, and also we will decrease our voltage from here switch 1 and switch 2. We will increase our frequency. We will decrease our frequency from governor, switch 1 and switch 2. This is the configuration setting for voltage and frequency. This interface is finished. Now the next is sync, analog, relay and analog setting, governor interface, AVR interface, frequency synchronizer, and this is the load levels, droops levels. You can adjust here droop settings, D-rate settings, and this is the generator engine monitoring parameters, and this is the fuel use efficiency, flexible sensor. You can watch here the flexible sensor, configurable CAN instrument. If you will add the CAN instrument, you will add watch here. Here is the alarm. If you any alarm, you can watch here. Current engine alarm, you can watch here on the screen. This is the status page. You can check here status. This is the events log. If here is any events log, you will export the Excel sheet, export the CSV, and export the PDF sheet. Enhance CAN bus and remote control indications, you can check here. This is the maintenance of all the horse run adjustment, timing adjustment, this all the engine setting adjustment. Here is the maintenance alarm reset. If here you will adjust here maintenance alarm, you can adjust here and watch here. This is the IP screen. This is the data log screen. You can watch here all SCADA parameters in this all screens. Guys, here is all the SCADA parameters. You can watch all these SCADA parameters on here all the screen. Now guys, completed our this video. We are coming to you for the next video. Please subscribe our channel, also like and share so that the next video can reach easily.